Severe thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service Omaha/Valley, Nebraska, 3:35 p.m. CST. Wed December 15, 2021. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, western Pottawattamie County in southwestern Iowa, southern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County in east-central Nebraska, eastern Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska, Sarpy County in east-central Nebraska, southeastern Washington County in east-central Nebraska, Otto County in southeastern Nebraska, Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska. Until 4:45 p.m. CST. At 3:33 p.m. CST, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northeast of Prague to 5 miles north of Okedo, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Hazard: 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Pawnee City, Kinnard, Table Rock, Blair, Humboldt, Fort Calhoun, Missouri Valley, Modale, Stella, Schubert, Logan and Persia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 84. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 27. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 432 and 454. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8:00 p.m. CST for southwestern Iowa. And southeastern and east-central Nebraska. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8:00 p.m. CST for southwestern Iowa. And southeastern and east-central Nebraska.